Hello everybody and welcome to the Smart Earners Academy course. This will be the advanced course and it will be about smart money concepts. So let's get into it. So this advanced course will be mostly getting into the nitty-gritty of technical analysis style trading. And with that we'll be using smart money concepts, right? And we'll be teaching you the technical analysis used in order to take profitable trading, right? And this is based off institutional style trading. And smart money concepts entail these sections: order blocks, supply and demand zones, liquidity, market structure, and the price cycle. And if any of you guys aren't familiar with these terms, just stay tuned for the rest of the course and we will explain them bit by bit, right? And then we have Wyckoff, risk control using technical analysis, and imbalance. So what will be the teaching process? The teaching process will be split into 4 steps. First of all, I will break down each big concept into smaller parts, right? And then I will explain each part first with simple diagrams. We will be using simple diagrams to explain each part first. Then I will apply these into real life back-tested examples, right? So we'll be using back-tested examples that happened in the past to explain each part of the bigger concept. Lastly, I'll round up everything to do with that particular section. And then I'll show a trade which has used all or most of the mentioned parts in the big concept. So if that confuses you, let me just break that down. So let's say we're going to go over order blocks, right? First of all, we're going to break that down into refining order blocks. So that will be, for example, one part of order blocks, right? There are many parts, but we'll just break it down. So let's say we're going to go over refining order blocks, which will be later on in the course. What we're going to do first is we're going to show you a diagram. So we're going to use a simple diagram just to explain what refining order blocks look like. And then I'm going to show you an example using this idea of refining order blocks. And then I'll break down a trade using all of the parts mentioned. So that could be refining order blocks, how to get entries using purely order blocks, what is an order block. I will use all of that and break down a trade in the past which we have taken. So yeah, that is what the course will entail. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys will find this very educational. I am sure you will find this very educational, and I'll see you in the next episode.